everyone, I'm Christina Vita, the Elise H. Wright Curator of General Collections here at the Valentine Museum. And today I wanted to connect you with one of our newest acquisitions here at the museum, this ground glue sign. What is ground glue? Ground glue is a solid form of glue that is literally ground into various sizes of pellets and then can be easily and cheaply shipped around the country. Thomas Christian ran a ground glue factory here in Richmond from 1871 until 1914. Now, while he was operating his business, he hired a Rochester, New York sign maker to make this sign. Frank Van Dorn made this sign in the 1890s using two techniques, gilding and églomuse, or reverse painting on glass. Van Dorn gilded all of the lettering, he painted this vignette, and then he coated the whole back of the glass with this matte black paint. Now, when the sign arrived to us late last year as a donation, it was that black paint that had deteriorated significantly. And so we worked with a local restorer, Nancy Beck, who tediously mapped out all of the gilding elements. She tested the gilding to determine that it was 23 karat gold. She restored a few bits of the gilding, and then she replaced that black paint on the back to protect it and to make this sign pop for you today like it did around the turn of the 20th century here in Richmond. We hope you'll check it out in our new exhibition, Sign Spotting, Richmond Signage, which is on view today.